Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials. Every source, one metadata sheet, and a clear change log. This avoids guesswork later. Once done, choose the index model, inverted index for fast term lookup, B-tree for range queries, or a sorted term list for linear scans, and define your keys and weights. Make sure to mark primary terms and 0. 5 relevance defaults, because these initial decisions shape performance and accuracy as you build the rest of the index. You now implement the central pipeline. Tokenize with consistent rules, case folding, stop word removal, and number normalization, so results are repeatable. Then map tokens to stable ID, recording positions, frequency counts, and optional 1/2 boost tags for priority terms. Next, batch build using sharding and parallel merges. Compact segments into a read-optimized layout to reduce I/O. Make sure to validate intermediate indexes, and run a sampling query set to confirm relevance and latency. You finish by validating. Measure accuracy percentage, recall percentage, and latency in milliseconds against your targets. Log differences. Once validated, optimize by reweighting terms, reindexing hot entries, compressing storage, and creating an immutable backup snapshot. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting. Check tokenization rules first, then inspect ID collisions and segment merge consistency. These are the usual culprits. Make sure to revert to the last working snapshot before retries, so you preserve a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.